This is a wake boat, and I'm here to help you be a better boater. You probably bought a boat to have fun and make memories with your family and friends. You, my friend, made a great decision, but sometimes owning a boat can be very stressful. I love boating and being on the water. As a kid, I grew up on a boat. I've spent thousands of hours on boats, teaching people, instructing people, and enjoying the boats myself. I've even worked for a couple different manufacturers. I want to make your boat ownership a little less stressful so that you can use boating to have a positive impact on all of your relationships. I have videos to help you with things like teaching someone to wake surf, how to control your boat at low speeds, how to hook up your trailer to your vehicle. I even do boat coaching in the local Phoenix area. Essentially, I'm trying to make an owner's manual for you, but in video format. I take my engineering background and put together value-packed videos that are educational, entertaining, and easy for you to view. I'm 1 minute into this channel intro and I haven't even introduced ourselves. First off, this is my wife Camille. She's crazy in a good way. And we have 3 kids, Tucker, Sonny, and Dieter. We love being on the boat. Last of all, me, Blake, the creator of this channel, Blake Days. I may not be Mark Rober, a NASA engineer, or Destin with Smarter Every Day, but I'm here to help you be a better boater. Boating has played such an important role in my life and continues to do so. I just want to help you enjoy boating too. Naturally, I made some videos on boat ownership just for you. Click on this playlist, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.